So, in today's shenanigans, my mom has decided to install 2 new doors to the house, and I'm about to show you guys that, but we've also been painting this thing, so I'll show you all of this. So this was our door before, and now it's that. This is our new door. Because we have cats and they always scratch the shit out. Because we have cats and they always scratch the shit out of this, like the doors and stuff. But this material, it's like really hard, so they can't do that anymore. And we're installing the same thing for the backyard door. So, yeah. We've also painted this door white. And also that table that I was showing you, that table is going to go into this room, and it's going to go right here. So I'll finally have a space where I can sit somewhere, like sit on a proper table instead of on my bed whenever I'm like doing something online. But my room is still a mess, so I need to fix this place up. Just fine, because, you know, the table hasn't dried yet, and plus I need to buy a chair for that table. And in other news, I am planning a short trip, just in the same state, for next weekend, because my mom is having like a big fat she's having her friends over for next weekend, and it's gonna be like, I don't know, I just feel like I don't want to be here while that's happening. I want her to just spend her time with her friends and leave me the hell out of it and have a good time. And I don't know, I just feel I would feel so out of place being here during that weekend, because all of her friends are, you know, non-vegan, and I can't stand seeing animal flesh in the house or anything that comes from an animal's body to have someone eat it. So I need to get out of here. I'm gonna lose my mind. So I'm arranging that, and it's gonna be like a 2-hour trip up north, I think. Yeah. But it's not gonna be in Sydney, so I'm going alone, and I kind of need this because I've been feeling like really, really. I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a like really Persian dude in our house right now, and he's just like, anyways, so as I was saying in the clip before I paused this, yeah, I've just been feeling like I need to see new places, because being in Sydney is really getting to me. Seeing the same places every day is not something that my spirit can handle. I need to be somewhere new. So I am booking that, and hopefully I will get my car before I have to leave. If I don't know what I'd do. You know, like, holy fuck. Are you telling me that I might not have my car? But I'm pretty sure I would. No, I have to be optimistic. I will have my car by next week sometime. They said that I would, you know? And yeah, so I'd be leaving on the Friday, like early morning Friday, maybe like, I don't know, 5 a.m. or something. So I'd get there at a good time, and I think that it's going to be good weather. I don't know if there's going to be, I think that there might be a few showers, but hopefully not. I have a couple of places I really want to visit, so I need to like take a lot of water with me. A mistake that I made last time, I didn't have water when I was like going for a big hike. And yeah, so I'm gonna be looking at accommodation for today. Like today, I'm gonna be looking at accommodation for the place I want to go. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm going just yet, but I will be vlogging. So that's gonna be included in like travel vlogs. And the place I want to go is really beautiful. Really beautiful. Like I've seen pictures of it. Pictures of it are beautiful, and so I can't wait to go and just take a breather from being in Sydney for way too long. So yeah, I think that's all that I have planned for today. Not that it's really much of a plan. Doing some meditation as well in the background, as you can see. But yeah, that's the vlog for now. Unless I get up to something, or something interesting happens later on today. Maybe I might go for like a Kmart. Like I might go to Kmart or something, and buy some new things for that table. And if I do that, then I'll record it. But yeah. So I am just going to let this little guy go into the grass. Go, little buddy. Get off of the tissue. Jeez. It's like stuck on the tissue. Dude, go. Okay. Yep, I'm just gonna leave it on the tissue. Okay, so I put the tissue down, but it was still crawling on the fucking tissue, even though it's like, you're on grass now. Get off of the fucking tissue. Caterpillars are so dumb. But it wasn't I can tell that it was kind of like stressed out, I guess. Or what are weird, like human emotions or sentient related emotions we tie to these animals. Because it was freaking out. It kept on like going up. I don't know if I recorded that part. But in my human perspective, it was stressed out. Okay. So, yeah, that's part of my day today. We bought a bunch of plants. So I'm going to be showing you guys those plants when we get home. Okay, so I just woke up from like a 1.5 hour, 2 hour nap. Regrets. And I'm about to start cleaning my room and bring in some new items. So I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like, and hopefully I'll get it done before this day has ended, so I can upload everything and show you guys, so as to not break the whole like consistent day-to-day uploads of vlogmas. Here we go. Okay, so this is my room right now. As you can see, it's not looking the best. It's not bad, but that's my bed. And I need to fix this shit up. I need to fix that up. All of that needs to just go away. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, because I don't know where I'm gonna put all of that shit. The only good thing about my life right now, well, kind of, it's like this area. And I still need to organize all this shit. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the final-ish result, kind of ish. So that's my new desk. We painted that today, as you saw earlier in the vlog. Nice. Haven't cleaned up my bed because reasons. I'm running out of time right now. But I have this little thing hanging really awkwardly. But I have something that reminds me of nature in my room now. So I'm happy. As you guys know, I love nature. So yeah, there's that. I got the meditation music going. Just gonna have to wait for whenever to get a chair, because yeah, I don't have my car yet, so I can't drive anywhere. I can't drive to IKEA if I wanted to. I'm thinking, like, later on I'm gonna have one of those things that you attach onto the wall. But I don't know, like, we might be painting my room like white, like that kind of white, instead of this kind of creamy white. So yeah, it's really kind of like no use to have. Oh, my cat just came in. Hi, you! She loves to talk, this one. Okay, that is the end of the vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this one. Click the subscribe button, and have a lovely day or night. Bye, guys.